Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Good afternoon, UAE, and good evening, Philippines. Look at the sunset, it's in my back. And set the very red there. See, I'm here in Corniche Beach, Abu Dhabi. This is my stress reliever. I was stressed if I am not busy. I have free time. I coming here to go walking. Every time I come here, I feel relaxed, calm, and my stress removed. This is my stress reliever. About you guys, what do you want to do every time you have free time? What is your hobby? What do you love to do? If you are stressed, what you gonna do so that your stress will cool down and you gonna relax? This is one of my stress relievers. Second is playing bowling. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave comment, subscribe, and share my video to other channel. And thank you very much. Bye. Happy New Year everyone.